very deep sleep. Yeah, just Chester, wake up. Oh, Dad, please. I want to sleep some more. Chester, you have to get ready because I have to go to my concert starting in 10 minutes. Come on. I have to call Uncle Cole. Uncle Cole? Yes? Hello? Can you babysit Chester? Yes. Okay, Uncle Cole is here. Now Uncle Cole wants to babysit you. So he's the babysitter. Okay, son. Have fun. Have fun at your party. Bye. Oh, Uncle Cole. Uncle Cole? Yes, Chester? Can I see what toys you got for me? Okay. And Uncle Chess and Uncle Shadow is here too, but right now he's using the toilets. And then he told me, he yelled out, "Is that it?" Oh, okay. And look, I got you a $100 painting. Here it is. Wow. Wow, that looks nice. Wow. You like it? Of course I like it. It's like so cool. And what else toys did you get for me? Uncle Shadow got you some too. Wow, dinosaurs. I love them. They're so cute. I'm going to put them in my toy drawer. Okay, so, oh no, it looks like your father's back. Hello, Chester, did you have fun? Yes! I had so much fun. Bye.